Hi, thanks for visiting our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make this papel picado banner cake topper with a design that's quick and easy to cut. The finished banner measures approximately 6.5 by 4.5 inches. To make it, you'll need cardstock 80 pounds, 8, 5x11, a 4 or 12x12 inches. Once you've uploaded the file to Cricut Design Space, go to the right panel and click Ungroup. The template includes 2 layers, the banner and the fold line. Now let's add the text. Use the text tool and choose your favorite font. I'll be using Rye from Google Fonts. I will use a font size of 82. Then apply the curve tool. The value to apply to the curve can be 35, so that the letters follow the shape of the design. Make sure the letters touch the curved line just enough so they can be welded later. If you need to, you can unlock the size ratio by opening the padlock icon. This lets me stretch the letters slightly, especially when working with long names. Once everything is in place, it's time to weld. Select the text layers and the banner, but not the fold line. Then click Weld. If something doesn't look right, click Undo, Adjust, and weld again. After welding, the fold line may be hidden behind the banner. Send the banner layer to the back to reveal the fold line again. Now select the banner and its fold line and click Attach. Your banner is ready to cut. For this project, I'm using the cardstock for intricate cut setting. Let's cut it. I'm using 65 pounds white cardstock, but 80 pounds also works great. Use a mat with good grip and a sharp blade for best results. The design cuts beautifully, and it's quicker and easier than more complex designs. To assemble, just fold along the fold line. And use 2 bamboo sticks. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll keep sharing more and more SVG designs and tutorials to help you create amazing projects with your cutting machine.